Right, well here we are at the Papermill and being summoned for the debriefing. So Papermill, Airsoft Day, father-son, same team. This is going to be a fun day. Lions Den and Northstate Airsoft put on a great show. Lots of people.
Here are some dudes.
Teammates, this is the Apex team headquarters. This is where we are doing all the strategery.
And then you almost shooting me in the back.
It's the camera pointing at you, not my gun.
It's both.
No. It was on safety.
You're not meant to have it on safety in the field.
Nah, Dad was safe.
No, you were.
Do you think your red shoes are a bit of a giveaway to the enemy? They see these red things running across the field.
It's just like, what was those red things? A jackrabbit? Who had?
Did you know that the recorder is still going?
my phone is talking to us. All right, so we got baddies up the end. I'm pretty sure it's a given that there's baddies, given that we're running around with camos and guns.
And red shoes.
And red shoes. Look at him, you can't.
I can't talk anymore.
All right, so
Looking for intel, which looks like a big white.
we're looking for folders with a big X on it. That's our intel. And you can see it's so dark you can't see anything. But anyway, it's the way we roll. We're looking. Oh, I didn't bring a flashlight, which made the.
And then I bring a flashlight, but it died right before the game.
Yeah.
And so we had to wait.
We learned something, didn't we? That charging batteries before a game is really, really effective strategy.
If you want to win, have good battery strength.
Yeah. So we're clearing rooms, clearing buildings. It's a massive facility. They've done such a good job.
And there was a giant table in the middle of that room.
So clearing out that room. So we thought we better group. Better find out where some of the buddies are. They might have some intel. We've got comms.
And then there you are looking at me again. Trying to shoot me again.
And so we can hear there's a bit of a firefight going on the other side of that complex, way over the far side. So we go check it out and then decide, you know what? Nah.
Let's run into it.
Let's go stick to our right flank, which is what the team are expecting, and then we find some baddies. Check this out. So then they decide they're going to run from that main building. That was their headquarters. They're going to run around. There's a little bit of a power plant there. Going to try to find the shot them, outmaneuvered them.
Somehow. And then we need to do it as well.
So a couple of baddies. Got these teammates.
And then Yeats here
Patch them
got
up.
flare.
That's Huckleberry. Okay, running to the main facility. Now, some people had Thunderbees. What are Thunderbees?
So they're basically like, they look like a grenade, but it's just a carton with CO2 in it. When you pull the pin, it makes a giant loud noise. It doesn't shoot any BBs, but if you're in with within 20 feet of the Thunderbee, when it goes off, you're dead and you explode with the gun.
All right, so found a little spot. I'm calling intel out when the baddies come out. This one guy. So run back into Fearless. He's like, Dad, let's go to the tower. Let's do it. The tower is the Papermill boiler room, and it's 8 stories up to the top. I'm going to check it out. We're going to get there without getting hit, aren't we?
Nope.
Right, got a couple of bad guys, patched up a few. It's like we're doing the walk back to spawn.
So we respawn. I'm feeling tired. I'm wanting to explode, but then we have to climb this 8-story building while I'm feeling tired. So that's a woohoo for me. And
So put the video into rabbit mode for a second.
Speedy Gonzales.
Truth is, I ran up all 8 stories.
No, you didn't. If that's your definition of running, you're slow.
Oh. Right, having a peekaboo out some of the windows.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. That dude down there.
He's taking no cover whatsoever. He's just walking around. It's like,
I think he's dead.
nope. He's not.
He is now. Checking around the other side. Just casually saying hello to enemy players.
Right, rabbit mode. Let's get to the top. 8-story. Now, one of my favourite moments of the day is coming up. It's when the Fearless grabs his pistol and snipes someone with a gas blowback BB pistol.
SSP2.
Yeah, with his Novritsch from the 8th floor. Check this out. This is my favourite of the day. Guy had no idea where it was coming from. He walked out the door,
No cover.
had a whole bunch of shots put on. Because he's so elevated, he couldn't hear the AEG going off.
So you're like bing 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 bing, tick tick boom.
Yeah.
Back down from the tower. Shooting into the building to clear.
Alright, so lunch was done.
It was a juicy.
Alright, we're running straight down there. I think is the plan. And maybe down here outside. What do you think? Which way?
I don't know. Probably this way.
This way, straight down that hallway.
So lunch was done.
Maybe have a juicy one. Okay. Let's go.
Juicy.
I think you're.
After lunch we swapped in, so we were starting at the other team's spawn and they started at ours way down the end. So theirs was at the edge of I think it's 50,000 square foot abandoned facility, abandoned paper building, all the trucks used to back up and do product. So there's a whole bunch of our Apex team with lights going in all directions around the paper mill. Very cool. Such a good facility. Thanks to Lions Den and Northstate for organising it and putting it on.
If you want to have fun while shooting other people in the face, come here.
It's a joke. That is airsoft. Alright, so just checking a few windows. The last team did a very effective job of remaining in windows. It was very hard to clear out the building. That's where the Thunderbees came in. And they were thunderbeaming us and incredible sound echoing through the whole complex. Very cool.
These are just grenades without shooting bullets, so they make a giant loud
Like a
noise.
flashbang?
Like a flashbang, but they don't flash.
They just go bang.
It's just a bang, not a flashbang. It's
They're just called bangs.
They're called a bang, not a flashbang.
Alright. So just ducking outside to go and check. This is where they did a pretty good job holding us down shooting. If you recall in the video, I was way over the other side where that daylight is in that gap, shooting over this way because they were hiding behind this tank. So just trying to pepper it over here to keep them at bay. And now it's our turn to come out here and just seeing if we've got any baddies. Couldn't see any, so jumping back into the main shed and running up. Now there's a gap in the doors here coming up. We were taking fire. They pinned us down pretty good from here. Couldn't find them.
Clear. He's gone. He's gone.
Oh, be visual on it. Right. Let's see if we can pin him down and get him down. Or get him. So he gets moving. And then figure I'm going to go back down the end of the building and come around right. Let's see if we can find any guys. See if they're trying to flank us. So we have pretty good cover in that building. So there we go, they're trying to flank us now. Come around and see if we can find them. And when I said they're going to flank us, it was just one lone ranger. There he is. Quite satisfying when it's just one guy in the middle of a project like that, just yelling medic and no one's coming. Hey, here's a visual of a reload. Very speedy reload of this one. Look at this.
So speedy.
So effective. Okay. So it's evident I need practice at reloading.
No, it's not evident. It's just that's just exactly what you need. Focus on.
Now, walking back and I walked into a hail of BBs. Medic!
A bonk, bonk, bonk.
So I'm just hanging the gun down. Footage isn't that great, but
It's great footage of the floor, Dad.
yeah. Medic comes, puts a bandage on, pulls me to the side. By that stage, I'd been peppered quite nicely. They held down. They actually found the pilot.
And then they won.
Yeah, so they won.
So we just walk back.
And we've got the walk back, the lonely walk of shame back to the headquarters. Okay, it wasn't shame. Hey, it was a really great day. So thanks to everyone that showed up. Lions Den, North State. Really a lot of fun. Hey, buddy, I had a great time. You have a good time?
Yeah, I loved it when you kept pointing the gun at me. Zooming in on my back.
Great day.